Good noon, boys. Hope all are fine by the grace of Almighty. Here I am Sushmita Das, lecturer of ICT in Gregory's High School and College. Boys, our quiz exam will be held tomorrow, isn't it? The syllabus is chapter 1. Okay, chapter 1 full. From chapter 1, you have to participate some question like one word, 5 one-word question answer and 2 short question. Each short question marks is 5 marks. Okay, boys, listen. There are no alternative question. Okay, in your quiz exam there are no alternative question. Okay, so you must read the full chapter. Okay, like short question, you can read explain the use of ICT in daily life. Okay, like short question you can read. Then impact of workplace. Okay, using information and communication technology in workplace. Okay, analysis importance of ICT in workplace. Okay, impact of ICT in social life. Okay, from this chapter, for one word you must read every line. Okay, you must read every line, like what is the abbreviation of GPS, global positioning system. Okay, Bangabandhu satellite 1. Okay, suppose there is a question about EVM. Okay, EVM, important topics, virtual classroom. What is a virtual classroom? What is a virtual office? Okay, how robot helps in dangerous works. Okay, how robot helps in dangerous work. Okay, like this. Okay, like this you can first you must read thoroughly this full chapter. Okay, and I try to mark the important topics. Okay, for your exam. Okay, so today's class is lesson 7, information and communication technology in social life. Let's start. Look, websites of social communication, information and communication technology has made our social communication faster, nicer and more effective. Technology has made our social communication faster, nicer and more effective. Besides, many of our social affairs are on the internet. It has been said in the previous lesson that if you want to send or say anything to your dear ones, you have to send either an email or SMS. Okay, either an email or SMS. But what if what you are doing is automatically known to your friends? Then how would it be? Some websites of social communication came into being from this idea. Okay, information of social function, professions, liking and disliking photographs or videos of family affairs, etc., can easily be shared through one of those sites. Okay, from one of those sites. Which sites? Look, currently we have hundreds of websites of this nature. Like popular sites is www.facebook.com, www.twitter.com. Millions of people use Facebook, www.duopa.com, www.myspace.com are very popular among them. People of almost all languages use this website. Okay, boys, if you have a question like two popular, like write two name of popular website in social life, that then you can answer www.facebook.com, twitter.com. Okay, look, of those Facebook is used most, millions of people are using Facebook. The number of users is gradually increasing in Bangladesh. Every user can create a self-introducing web page either on Facebook or on similar websites. The user gives information about themselves and display photographs, videos, etc. in their profile, from where they can find their friends. Here, friends is not meant in the conventional sense. According to Facebook, how many people are acquainted with someone will all be their friends. If your friend has a Facebook profile and if you ask them to be your friend, you will be friends after getting their consent. Similarly, if anybody sends you a request and you accept it, you will be their friends too. Thus, you and your friends together will build up your networks, so that social network. Okay, that is social network. Now your network will become gradually bigger and bigger. You can search for your primary school classmates who, perhaps now living in Australia, was separated from you for a long time. Okay, by the help of Facebook, you can find your primary section classmate. When you post any information in your profile, it will instantly be visible in a corner of your friend's web page. The feeling you send is called status. In Facebook and in Twitter, if you like, display any photograph or show any video that can immediately be watched by everyone connected in your network after adding them in your profile. Besides, your Facebook will remind your friends of your birthday. Then everybody will greet you. Not only your personal emotions but also advertisements of commodities, circulations of jobs are sent through this social communication website. Okay, even social movements are being organized through it. Okay, it is widely believed that these websites played a very vital role in organizing the social revolution in the Arab world, especially in Tunisia, Egypt, and Libya in 2010 to 2011. Okay, this is all above or chapter 1. Boys, after finishing this chapter, you must read this sample question. Okay, so boys, hope your exam will be good. Okay, so no more today. Thanks to all.